guys, I was just filming, trying to beat the sun. I'm going to bleach my hair today. That's what the title is. I'm gonna bleach my hair. I'll be blonde for a day or two before making it gray. Hopefully it's not too damaging to the ends, but you'll follow me along. I have other videos on how I bleach my hair, so this is going to be just a quick vlog bleaching my boy Tristan's hair, and we're gonna both go gray together. Yeah, almost 2 years since I bleached it all. Okay, see ya. Recording. Can you see me? What my hair looks like after one session of bleach. Person, it's a little less orange on camera. It's like more orange, more even than I thought it would be. I'll show you guys what it looks like after the second bleach session. Hopefully this goes lighter and I can put my gray in. See you guys. Hello everyone. Most colors actually fit me and yellow is not one of them. I think orange looks okay too, but this yellow is, without makeup and without like my whole outfit done and everything, I feel like the yellow just does not look good. Tone it with 050 Cooling Violet. This is what I normally do. I think in my old videos I would only put half of it in or all of it in. I'm going to try to put half of 050 Cooling Violet and half of T18. Or I'll do all of 050 Cooling Violet and half of T18. I just want to mix it together so that the color isn't way too dark. Because if I do all of 050 Cooling Violet, I feel like it would just be like a dark gray. And I kind of want it to be just a little bit lighter. And I'll use 20 volume developer. You'll see the results afterwards. Ooh. This is what my hair currently looks like. All I used was half a box of 050 Cooling Violet and a whole box of T18. So it does still have yellows in it. You can see, like, especially the mid shafts have yellow in it. This color is like a lighter gray color, and I'm going to tone it again with 050 Cooling Violet, but I'm just going to put more in it, like a highlight of yellow. So I'm gonna go ahead and go fix that. Hello everyone, so this is what my hair currently looks like. And I did touch it up once a week ago. I touched it up, and what I used a drop of Purple Rain by Arctic Fox, and then also half a tube of Pravana Silver. I'll insert it here. It's really great to cancel out a lot of the yellow colors. There's still some yellowish colors. When you see it in the light on top, you'll see like the purple colors. Recolor my boy's hair because it did fade to a blonde, but we were just waiting for his scalp to heal because we actually used 40 volume on him twice, and you should never use 40 volume twice. So let's see how that goes. I'll get back to you guys in like a week. Okay, so it's been more than a week, more like over a month, but my black roots grew out about an inch and I wanted to go a lighter gray. So I bleached all my hair once and my roots another time to lighten it, and here we are. I hope you guys enjoyed this progression video and leave any questions you may have below. And I really enjoyed this light gray. So I hope you guys like it too. Okay, bye-bye.